wettest channel on the internet.
And we're back. And if you saw part 1, well, you noticed we put the jet skis on the road and headed up north to visit a beautiful island in West Palm Beach. But this time only me and Ogita came along. And this place is called Peanut Island. And this is an amazing place because it feels like you're at the Bahamas because the water is so clear. And this island is very popular here in West Palm Beach, and you can get here either by boat or you could use a ferry service, and also you can even camp in the island. And we have been here like 3 years ago, but we decided to come over this weekend and check out how things were doing. And we also took a cruise around the island and saw many boaters enjoying this place with their families and friends. And you can see all that and more in part 1. And now we're gonna continue where we left off. And by the way, it was a pleasure meeting the fans that waved hi or came up to us to say hello. I guess it's kind of hard to miss the colorful yellow jet ski because that's the thing that they told us how they recognized us from far away. And something that one of them said that really made me think was that they told me they love watching the channel because most of the other social medias, what they tend to do is make fun of boaters when they make a mistake or do something wrong. But ours focuses on boating locations around Florida and show another side of boating that it could be fun and be enjoyed with family and friends. And I would like to thank Tony from West Palm Beach for letting me know this. Talking about friends, well, we found ours. And here's Jason on his beautiful Hydro Sport with quad 350s and with an amazing high tuna tower. So we're gonna wrap up to him and hang out with him today here at Peanut Island.
Yeah, I like your tender.
See if we can make it. Ah, there you go, do it. So make it up. Oh my goodness, like that. Oh.
Well, we made it on board and let's check out Jason's beautiful 42-foot Hydro Sport. And what do you guys think about it? I think it's gorgeous, especially loving the high tuna tower. I think I could get pretty good videos from up there. What do you guys think? Also loving the color scheme, black and white and blue.
I feel like I'm on a boat show.
Well, it's time to enjoy the rest of the afternoon here at Peanut Island, Sandbar. And we're gonna see what the rest of the boaters here are up to. And if you're wondering why there ain't that many boats here, the problem is, let's blame it on the weatherman. Because he said today was gonna be stormy weather with 80% chance of rain. And I guess that scared most of the boaters here at West Palm Beach. But it didn't scare us or you, because we're here and we're gonna enjoy no matter what. Alright, enough sightseeing. We're gonna jump in the water and go walk over to the sandbar and check it out.
That's super cool.
So what do you guys think about this place? I think it's amazing, and the sandbar is huge. But I guess these guys here wasn't paying attention to the low tide and got caught up in it. And that is something you always have to watch out when you visit new places, and definitely if it has a sandbar. But they got pretty lucky because the towboat got here pretty quick.
Instead of like moving the boat like side to side, just to go for
And guys, here's a trick that I like doing on my own boat so I don't get caught in the low tide is I leave my motors straight down. I don't trip them up because what happens is this: once the tide goes low, the motor is gonna tap the sand and you're gonna feel it on the boat. That's your sign to lift trim up and now push the boat away from the sandbar, so like that you don't bottom out. And that trick has avoided me getting stuck plenty of times. So next time, use it yourself. And well, you have to look at the bright side of the story. This is only sand, so the boat normally is not gonna get scratched. Imagine if there were rocks here. That would have been very painful to watch. And most of the people were watching the tugboat do his job, but these two couples here were watching so closely that they kind of forgot about their boat, and look what happened. And finally, about 30 minutes to 40 minutes, the tugboat did its job and the boat got loose. Well, I guess they're heading home, and I think it's time for us to start heading home too, because I started to look down south, and I think the weatherman wasn't that wrong anyway, because it's starting to get darker gray. So I think we're gonna pick up and start going, because if you ever been caught in the rain on a jet ski, you know it's not a fun ride.
You don't want to get wet? Hold on. Yeah, hold on. No, hold on. Let him leave.
Well, what do you guys think about Peanut Island and the Sandbar? I think this place is awesome, and definitely I'll be back during summertime when there's more people here. But we had a great time hanging out with Jason and his family here at Peanut Island. Well, I think the ride back is gonna be interesting and fun because the wind's starting to pick up and it started to sprinkle. So it's gonna be a fun wet ride for a few miles on the way back. Well, here's when you have to put your state of mind in, make the best of it for a bad situation. So it was a pretty wet ride, but it was pretty fun though because it was entertained all the way back, especially with Olguita dancing around on the jet ski.
So we made it back to the blizzarding storm of wind, back to the ramp. It's funny, the whole day we were doing pretty good running dry, and on the way back we got soaking wet, but it's all good though. It's all good in the hood. It's all good.
Whoa, look at this. We survived the storm on jet skis, but Olguita almost killed me getting off. But it was fun though. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and don't forget to check out part 1. And remember, rain or shine, I'll catch you next time out on the water.